Hi, I'm Torben Janssen from thoughtsonjava.org with a new Hibernate tip. This time I will show you how to use the QueryCache to avoid the execution of duplicate queries. The QueryCache is one of 3 caches supported by Hibernate that stores query results. Before you can use it, you need to activate it in the persistence.xml file by setting the parameter hibernate.cache.useQueryCache to true, and by defining the hibernate.cache.region.factory class you want to use. Here you can see an example of a persistence XML file with the QueryCache configuration. The hibernate.cache.useQueryCache parameter is set to true, and I use the ehcache region factory as the region factory class. You also need to activate caching for the query you want to cache the result of. You do that by calling the setCacheable method of the Hibernate-specific query interface with the parameter true. Here you can see the same query as on the previous slide. It selects an author entity with an ID equal to the named parameter ID. Then I set the parameter ID to 1 and activate the query cache by calling the setCacheable method with value true. Then I execute the query twice. Without the query cache, Hibernate would execute an SQL query for each call of the getSingleResult method. Let's run this test and have a look at the log output. As you can see here, Hibernate executed only one select statement to get the author from the database. The session matrix also shows that Hibernate stored the query result in the cache and retrieved it from there. Okay, that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe below. You should also join the free Thoughts on Java library to download this and other Hibernate tips as a PDF. You also get access to a lot of free member-only content like ebooks, cheat sheets, and video courses. I'll add a link to it to the video description below. See you next week for a new Hibernate tip video.